I'm standing here in front of this beautiful low-set brick home, and we are about a 20-second walk away from the nicest walking paths and just around the corner from a family park. This is what we would call the hen's teeth of real estate, and certainly for this area of Brisbane. Welcome to 22 Parkside Crescent in the Gap. My name is Kathleen Luck. Please reach out to myself or one of my co-agents here at Loyal. We would love to show you more of this beautiful opportunity.